Direk Mac Alejandre pa. So,
That tandem together. Yes, we're just really excited to see how it turned out.
because it'll be the first time that Colleen and I get to watch the entire film.
Yes, sorry.
Yeah. So, we're excited just as much as you guys are. So, let's go watch. Let's go watch. Thank you.
And Diego Lizaga also would like to invite our director, Direk Mac. Direk Mac, please join us. Direk Mac Alejandre and Sir Ricky Lee. Diego and Colleen, would you like to say a few words for everyone?
Yes, G. What would I like to say? Thank you, of course. Thank you for being here. To be honest with you guys, I'm nervous. It's been a while since we had a theatrical release movie na ako yung main. And to be here, standing on the stage with Colleen, a longtime friend of mine. I'm very excited, same time nervous. Hoping that you guys enjoy the film as much as we enjoyed filming it. And yeah, Colleen.
Yes, so it's our first time to watch the full movie today and we're just really excited to be here and we're happy. Maraming salamat talaga to everybody who took the time. Thank you so much to everyone who took the time. Alam ko na everybody's busy, traffic today. But
On a Tuesday night.
On a Tuesday, yeah. So thank you so much for being here today. And I hope you guys enjoy the film. To our media friends, again, thank you so much for supporting us and for inviting everybody to come here and be here with us today. So ayun, sana po ma-enjoy niyo yung pelikula.
Alright, and bago natin, you can take your time to take photos of them while I'm doing my spiel, everybody, okay? Okay, so close lang kayong dalawa dyan. Everyone na may tickets na, you can go inside the cinema. Director and of course, our writer. Alright, Direk Mac, a few words for everyone before we start.
Good evening, everybody, and from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to thank each and every one of you to making the time to come out here. Konsi Dave, maraming salamat, brother, sa suporta. Ayun, I know it's a busy Tuesday night, traffic and everything, but you guys still came out here to make it. Maraming salamat. I hope you do enjoy the movie, and I'm sure you will. Ayun, guys, thank you.
Yes, thank you again so much to everybody here for supporting the movie. I truly hope that you enjoy it and that you go home feeling great that you got to spend your Tuesday with us today. To the familiar faces that we see, hello. And thank you again. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Okay, congratulations in advance to
Salamat,
the
Ju.
both of you.
Magandang gabi at salamat sa panonood ng isang gabi. I hope you guys enjoyed. Medyo na-preempt yung ending kasi nag-on yung ilaw pero nag-gets yun naman, no? The gunshots, nag-gets niya. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Wow, what a fantastic journey it's been to work with the great Ricky Lee, kay Direk Mac, and the beautiful Colleen Garcia. I don't know if you guys watched yung mga interviews namin coming towards this day, but we were all very nervous. So I'm happy that it came out the way it did, and I hope you all enjoyed. Maraming salamat po.
Diego, congrats, we survived this. And thank you so much to everybody who stayed until the very end, our family and friends. Thank you so much to everybody who's here with us tonight. Nasabi na ni I wanted to come for me. I'm very grateful to everybody who's here with us today. Thank you, and I hope you guys enjoy.
And now let's hear it from Direct Alejandre.
Maraming salamat for staying. Maliit na note lang, malit na konting message lang. Mahalaga para sa akin ang mapanood ang pelikula namin sa big screen. Dahil matagal ko nang hindi nagagawa ito na napapanood sa big screen. Mahalaga sa akin na bumalik ang mga tao sa sinihan. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa Viva, kay Boss Vic, kay Vincent, Veronique at Pandel Rosario dahil patuloy silang lumalaban na gumagawa ng pelikula para maipalabas sa sinihan. Taus-puso ang pasasalamat ko sa aking sa aking matalik na kaibigan at constant creative collaborator, ang National Artist for Film and Broadcast Arts sa CTV. Ang material na ito ay matagal na niyang sinulat. Umpisa pa lang, gustong-gusto ko na yung material. Binibi ni Boss Vic, nagantay kami ng tamang casting. At nung napanood ni Ricky ang offline ng pelikula, ang sabi niya, buti nagantay tayo because we got the perfect casting for the film. So masaya ako at nagpapasalamat ako kay Colleen, kay Diego, kay Alex, kay Yayo, at saka kay Soliman Cruz. Dahil hindi po madali gawin ang pelikulang ito. Hindi po madali. At dahil hindi siya madaling gawin, pasensya na po kayo dahil ang mga pangalan babanggitin ko hindi nalalaman ng mga manonood. So kailangan ko silang banggitin dahil sa mga tao na nakaka-appreciate ng pelikula, hindi lang po kami ang gumagawa nun. Marami po yon. Nagpapasalamat ako sa production team ng Viva, headed by Nina de la Cruz, Emerald Suarez Reyes, Jaja Makita, at sa kanilang team. Dahil patuloy silang naniniwala sa lahat ng mga material na ibinibigay namin ni Ricky Lee sa kanila.